Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50e and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the apps. Let's tap. Now let's scroll and find special app access. Scroll down again and localized install unknown apps. And here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So find the app, tap on it, and then choose this switcher. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher again. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.